Well, good morning everyone. Hope you are doing good and having a great week. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. And to all our viewers and those recently subscribed, thank you and welcome to this channel. So it's just going to be a quick video today. As you saw in the thumbnail of this video, today is the 7th of November 2024 and the presidential election of the United States is just concluded with Donald J. Trump winning the election. So I'd like to extend my congratulations to President Donald J. Trump and the Republican Party for winning the election and becoming the 47th President of the United States, as well as winning over the US Senate. This is not a political channel and I'd like to leave my comments on the US election like that. But for this video, I'd like to quickly talk about the massive movement that we're seeing on gold and silver spot prices over the last 1 week and how this will affect my silver stacking and gold stacking strategy moving forwards. But before we get to all of that, I'd just like to put it out there that I do have a crowdfunding page on Buy Me a Coffee, the link of which you can find in the description text of my YouTube homepage. So go ahead and click on that and have a look, and I would appreciate any support that you guys can give, as this channel here is not monetized. Alright, with that all done, let's go ahead and talk about some gold and silver. Alright, so right now we're taking a look at the chart for gold over the last 1 week. This chart comes from the Bullion Style Singapore website, and as you can see for today, the 7th of November 2024, gold has reached its lowest point of $3,527.76. This comes down from its previous high recorded on the 1st of November of $3,675.01. with gold having reached the all-time high of $3,686.04. All these are in Singapore dollars on the 31st of October of this year. This movement on the chart that we're seeing here over the last 1 week represents a drop of over 141 Singapore dollars, and that's a massive pullback for gold over the last 1 week. Here on this second chart, we can see the silver movement for the last 1 week. And on the chart itself, we can see that the silver has also pulled back from its previous high. At the moment for today, silver spot is at the low of $41.18, having reached a previous high on the 1st of November of $44.38. The highest price recorded for silver was $45.75, and that was on the 23rd of October of this year, 2024. Based on the data that we can see on this chart, silver has dropped a value of $3.20. Again, all these values here are in Singapore dollars, but I'll put the conversion rate for Singapore dollars to US dollars and Australian dollars at the bottom of your screen. Looking at the data for both the charts that I just showed you just now, that represents quite a massive pullback for both gold and silver. Whether this pullback was affected by the election results that happened in the United States is something that I can't be sure of. I'm not a political analyst or a financial advisor, but I can say that for me, seeing all these pullback here, it does provide two opportunities for me. The first opportunity that I'm thinking about is, of course, to take advantage of this lower silver and gold spot prices and perhaps add some more weight to my stack. While the second opportunity will depend on the movement of gold against silver, that is taking a look at the gold-silver ratio. If silver was to drop at a much quicker rate when compared to silver, that may be an opportunity for me to probably think about trading some of my silver that I have in my stack and trade up for some more gold. In any case, those two options are something that I'm looking at over the short term, that is over the next few weeks. While over the long term, which is over the next few months, we should be taking a closer look at the movement of silver and gold spot prices in relation to what's happening politically around the world. And while I'm not a person to give out financial advice, this video here is only for entertainment purposes. I can tell you what I'll be doing over the long term. The first of which is very important, is not to give in to FOMO or fear of missing out. I think for those of us who have been stacking for a long while, both silver and gold spot prices are still at pretty high levels. So we should not be panicking whether to panic sell or panic buy. And for the second thing that I'd like to share that I'll be doing is that I'll be continuing to stack consistently over the long term, that is over the next few months, on both gold and silver. And I believe that's the consensus for many stackers in the community, where gold and silver that we have in our stack are a great form of protection, something that we have and we hold to preserve our wealth and counteract the effects of inflation. And with that, I guess that will do it for this quick video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be continuing to monitor the gold and silver spot prices, and I'll update you guys on this channel if there's any massive movement, whether downwards or upwards, for those two precious metals. So do stay tuned to this channel if you'd like to be alerted on that. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave me a like if you have enjoyed this content, and be sure to hit that share and subscribe buttons down here if you have not done so. As always, you all please take care, be safe, and have a nice day.